Hello and welcome to the Learning Reading Hub. Today's video is a review of a reading app for kids called Teach Your Monster to Read. This video is actually a fragment of a longer video on the channel about this app, Teach Your Monster to Read, and other apps for learning to read. If you're interested, I leave a link to that other video on the video description. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Teach Your Monster to Read. Teach Your Monster to Read is a great game based on phonics principles. It is really helpful for complementing phonics instruction. This game follows the recommended curriculum, phonics curriculum, across the schools in England and Wales, which is a systematic synthetic phonics curriculum. It is free to use on a PC, but if you prefer to use the app version, which is available both for iPhone and Android, it is a paid app. First of all, on the Teach Your Monster to Read app, you create your monster and then he goes through a series of tests and tasks in order to teach him to read. Along the way, you get rewards for your accomplishments or for the monster accomplishments. These tests are all, of course, around letters and letter sounds. For example, on this part, you are asked to tap on the letters that make the S sound.
To free the villager, tap on all the buttons that make the sound S.
It is sequential in the order that sounds are introduced in the game. At our home, we found especially useful the minigames part, where you pick and practice around a specific sound. It was a fun way to go over on a specific sound that you want to practice. For instance, you could pick to practice the sh sound or the voice the sound, as in the first sound of the word they, as in this example. We select the grapheme phoneme correspondence that we want to practice and we're ready to go.
Put all the ducks in the shh pond.
I also liked the CITES game.
It's time to play the CITES hide and seek game. Catch as many CITES as you can before the clock runs out. Can you click on the word
this? This.
Can you click on the word
Up.
By the way, one thing to keep in mind is that the voice and the sounds are in British English. That might be something that is great in your case, or it might be something that you don't want because it's not the English that you speak at home. Just wanted to make you aware. This game was very appropriate for my daughter's age, who is 6 at the moment, and it was very much in line with her level of phonics and what she's actually learning. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found value on this video. And if that is the case, I would really appreciate if you could hit the like button because that really helps the channel. Bye and see you on the next video.